Hi all, I hope you've all enjoyed the first week of the summer holidays. There's still 5 weeks left, so parents and carers, this one's for you. Every Friday during the holidays, We Love Merthyr are hosting Kids Fun Size Fridays here in the Riverside Plaza starting at 11 a.m. There's something for the whole family to enjoy with a fantastic lineup of free entertainment and activities. You can meet your favourite superheroes, join in the fun at the Teddy Bears picnic and say hello to beloved Disney and Toy Story characters. There'll also be face painting, juggling and plenty more family fun to discover each week. The much loved Summer Beach has returned to St Tidwell Shopping Centre, and this year it's bigger and better than ever. There's also a brand new soft play area inside the indoor market, giving children even more opportunities to play while you take a break from the summer heat. So why not come down, cool off and see everything we have to offer. Many shops, restaurants and cafes are taking part in the Kids Eat Free or for £1 during the summer holidays. Asda, Tesco and Dunelm are just a few, but you can find a full list of participating stores on the Merthyr Tydfil Credit Union website. This small gesture hopefully helps ease some of the costs for parents and carers over the summer holidays. Finally, we're asking residents of Merthyr Tydfil to help shape the future of our adult social care vision. There's 1 week left to have your say, so please take a few moments to share your views. Your experience and ideas can help create a vision that truly reflects the needs of our community. Together, we can make a real difference. That's all from me this week. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you all next week. Diolch.